Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to crop picture into rectangle shape in iCloud Keynote. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser. Then open your iCloud Keynote. Then create your presentation. Now you can see here are my presentation. Now I crop picture into rectangle shape in this presentation. At first I have to insert a rectangle shape. Click this shape option and choose your square shape. Then resize this square shape and make it rectangle. Then select this shape, then click show or hide format style option. Now you can see here are fill option. Click this fills drop down menu and choose image fill. Now choose your specific image. To click choose icon. Now press open. Now you can see I crop picture into rectangle shape in iCloud Keynote very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.